Hey guys, Chris from QuickBooks here with another quick update. Today's update is regarding a new report just released into beta yesterday, the General Ledger Summary Report. Now what this report enables you to do is be able to track that net activity of your chart of accounts through a period of time. You would typically do this annually when doing your end of year taxes or generating those special purpose financial reports. Now I know in the past you would actually have to export both a trial and balance and a profit and loss, and then use a software such as Excel to be able to calculate that net activity. No longer the case, you can just export that report directly from QuickBooks Online. So without further ado, let's see this report in action. We want to click on Reports in the left-hand menu. Then we want to scroll down to the bottom of the page for the section labeled For My Accountant. There you go, the new report, GL Summary brackets Beta. Now if you want to move that report to the top of the list, click on the star and it'll appear in your favorite section. But let's click on it and run that report. Now the default range for this report is all dates, but in the example I mentioned earlier, I want to look at that last financial year. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just scroll up here, click the drop down for all dates, and then select last financial year. Naturally, you can select a custom range or a number of other predefined ranges that you'll see here. But I'm going to click on that last financial year. There we go. And it's going to update automatically in the background. So what this report does provide you with is that account name, account number if you're using them, the beginning balance if applicable, total debits, total credits, the net activity, and then the ending balance. From there, naturally you can save that report if you want to keep it in QuickBooks Online. You can email it out, you can print it off, or you can export it in either Excel or PDF. What's typically useful is if you're using a third-party software to be able to do that final preparation of your special purpose financial reports or end of year tax, export it into Excel and then import it back up to that software, and there you go. So basically that's what we had for you today. If you have any feedback, as always, leave it down in the comments section down below, and I'll see you next time for our next quick update. Have a great day, guys. Bye.